Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Capricorn. Please see your placements for Sun, Moon, Rising or your Saturn. Let's see what is going to happen in the month of April for you guys. So the first card that I have for you is the Eight of Cups. Now that sounds something very similar to the first card I pulled for Sagittarius people. So what is going on is that there is some sort of disappointment. It could be in regards to a promotion that you were about to receive, or that particular news that maybe you were about to receive money from someone but you didn't receive it. But it does seem like you are a little stressed, and what is happening is because the situation is not serving you, you are going to pull yourself out of that situation. Let's see what other cards we have for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the King of Swords, and at the bottom of the deck I have the Hangman card. So the Hangman card is telling me that definitely something is happening in this situation with you, where you feel like you want to change the outcome of the situation, but you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius sign, who's trying to balance this situation using logic, and you are coming from a point of view of emotions and logic. So imagine water and air. That sort of combination is happening here. And also the Hangman card represents the Pisces. So you could also be dealing with somebody who's a Pisces sign. Pisces sign is again water energy. So it seems like there is a lot of water energy, and you feel like it's like when you try to hold a river, the river has a very strong current and it wants to flow. It does seem like something similar is happening to you in regards to your work. Maybe you want to explore your creative side, maybe you want to do more, but the current circumstances are kind of constricting you in terms of what you can do, where you can go in life. So it does seem like that thing is kind of causing you a lot of problems, and you're fidgeting. Like you're very anxious and you're like, oh my god, what am I going to do? How am I going to figure out? Well, the energy according to these cards tell you to wait for a little while, because the time has not come yet. You kind of have to hang in there for a little longer before you can finally find your beam of light, or before you can find your sun. The next card that I have for you guys is the Four of Cups. Again, something is happening that's not making you very happy. Maybe this person is, or the situation is offering you something, but that something is not up to your standards, because you have a checklist of what you wanted to do in your career, or how you wanted your life or your career to work out. Maybe you're doing a lot of comparisons with other people and how what they have achieved in their life, and you are unable to achieve that. And that's sort of giving you that feeling of disappointment, and you're not disappointed with anybody else, but you feel disappointed with yourself. And there is an opportunity that's being offered to you, but you're unable to look at it because of the situation. The next card that I have for you guys is the card of the moon. Now, a lot of you, because I'm seeing anxiety, that means combined with the moon, a lot of you could be staying up at night, or you might be having anxiety issues. If that is going on with you, please make sure that you start offering water to the moon, or you at least make sure that you sit in moonlight for a little bit, because that's going to balance out your energy. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Pentacles, which tells me you could also be managing a lot of expectations in regards to your finances. That means you could be doing multiple projects, you could be being overworked, and despite being overworked or working on multiple things, you are not getting the sort of results that you were expecting. And the moon card also tells me for some reason you could be staying up at night, either because of anxiety, or you could be working at night. So take whatever resonates. Not everything will work in your situation 100%. The next card I have for you is the Magician, and trust me, this Magician card is going to work as a blessing for you, because what Magician does is, Magician has the power to convert any situation into his or her own favor. So this is a very strong card of manifestation. So if you guys are into manifesting, I do see your manifestations are going to come true, but I think before right before you hit the bed, you guys do get into this energy where you try to overthink a lot of things and how things are working in your life. So make sure you only focus on the energy of manifestation and not get pulled back into the energy where you feel disappointed and stressed. The next card I have for you is the High Priestess. This reading is very similar to Sagittarius sign for some reason. So now what's happening with High Priestess is the advice from the universe is that you are getting intuitive insights. You could probably be receiving message in terms of synchronicities. You could be seeing numbers. A lot of repetitions could be happening, and you have to pay attention to those repetitions because there's a hidden message in those. Maybe you'll suddenly have a cat walk up to you. You will suddenly have a raven or a crow come up to you, because all those signs actually represent the messages from the universe. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Swords, which tells me there is an impending disappointment. So something is going to happen, and that something is not going to make you very happy about it. Um, so that is something that is going to happen, but the only thing you can do is you have to change your idea about it. You have to change how you look at the situation. Now this is what the overall energy is like, but if we focus on these three cards and if we try to decipher the meaning of what is going to happen in the month of April for you guys, you have to leave a lot of things up to the universe. I don't think there is anything you can do about it. You can only manifest, but the result of that manifestation will actually depend on what's for your highest good. Even manifestations work on that principle that there has to be law of action involved with it, and it has to be for your highest good. Make sure you pay attention to your finances, especially if you are juggling into multiple things or if you have multiple jobs. There are chances you could be overwhelmed with a lot of responsibilities, but I do feel like at the end of it, many of you will not be able to get out of this energy of feeling that that unsatisfactory energy. So make sure you take adequate steps to come out of that energy. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of messages we are getting. The first card that I have for you is look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. A cycle will soon come to an end, and remember when I told you to stay positive. Now, when you get Sagittarius card, the sign of Sagittarius or the energy of Sagittarius is all about joy. It's all about activation of joy, being happy, being optimistic, being joyful. So make sure, you try to do a lot of things that you can that bring you joy. Also, make sure you align your goals, at least come up with the list, come up with the goals that you want to achieve. The next card that I have for you is nothing is yet set in stone. That means very similar to the card of the magician, that you have the opportunity, you have the energy to change the outcome, but all you have to do is you have to get out of this energy of feeling low. The easiest remedy that I can look from these cards and suggest for you is that take a piece of paper, list down all the things that you want to achieve, because it does seem like your energy is a little scattered and you need to give that energy a sort of guidance or a sort of shape. So do that, and I think that is going to help you a lot. Also, let's not forget, Capricornians are ruled by the sign of Saturn. Today Saturday when I'm recording this, and you guys tend to achieve a lot in life, but also Saturn activates at a later age. So your success for you guys comes a little slow, but it definitely comes, and it's a lot more than other people, because what you do is you do a lot of hard work. So keep that in mind and move forward. Don't forget to check out your other readings based on your date of birth, and I'll see you guys next time.